there is this tendency that's been creeping into sports analysis in recent times to assume or to conclude that the modern sportsman or woman is better and greater than their counterparts from a previous generation because technological advances in coaching techniques, in nutrition, in medical care, support equipment, etc., all make the modern sportsman or woman perform at a higher level and are thus better and greater than the stars of the past. But I disagree. I think it's all about context. Look at a great like Pele, for example. He was brilliant in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. I think if Pele had the help of modern techniques and technology, plus the protection of the modern rules of the game, Pele would be even further ahead of everybody else. While on the other hand, I am not sure that people like Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo would be as dominant as they are today if they had to play in the 50s and 60s without the help of modern technology, as well as the old rules that allow defenders to hack down attackers at will. This thing about the current is the best is foolishness. It has to be contextual with all things considered. Put it this way, I don't need modern technology to tell me that Pele was far better and greater than Lionel Messi. Me can see that with my naked eyes. See that? Me can see that, you can see it.